Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Realme C51. So in the first step, open the Play Store, then open search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. After that, add a permission to camera and to the files. Remember, there you have your free crazy banner. To show it again after the setup, you have to restart the application to send your message for free. Now click on the plus and choose source your document. I got something from the gallery. Click on the import icon and add the shape to your document. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon and choose the filter for a photo. If you already click accept icon, type the number it displays, choose the country from the list, and to send this message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like or a comment, and goodbye.